Well, here we can see that this piston's was probably why this engine was taken out of service. The ring is broken there. It's gone completely out of there. That's just full of carbon along that ring groove there. That's just carbon in there, and that's a typical hole where the piece of ring is bounced up and down. And let's see there where the pieces of piston ring have been bouncing around on top of the piston. But the pistons are all worn out anyway, so it's a good block. It can be used for a rebore. Conrods and everything are all okay, and they've been out before. Somebody's obviously put rings in it at some time and they haven't gapped them properly. The ring's broken, started smoking, so they've pulled the car out, pulled the engine out and put another one in. A bit of a shame. But that just goes to show just a bit of electrolysis, and that frees them right up. No need to bash pistons and things, but took a bit of banging to get the bottom out, just to break the rings loose from the gunge inside. But they came out easy enough.